If you're interested in starting your own hair boutique, click the link in my bio. I do have pre-built Shopify hair stores that will come synced with inventory. This is one example. You can customize it to your liking and everything. So if you're ready to start your own business, click the link in my description down below for more information. Starting out on Shopify, I'm going to upload my own theme that I made myself. I'm going to customize it and upload zip file. I do have these for sale as well if you want to design your own store and you're not good. Click the link in the description. I made it easy for y'all, okay? Very affordable. So I will add my theme. Once that uploads, I'll click publish, and then after publish, I'll click customize. So this is what the theme looks like. If you're not good at designing, you can get this theme down below. Pictures are not included, it's just the theme. So then I will click customize, and I'm going to start with the logo. I'm going to upload this straight from my laptop, and then after the logo, I'm going to upload the banners. After the banners are uploaded, I will click save, and I'm going back to add the collection cover photos, and I'll show you guys how I do that as well. I made all of this in Canva, so you can get the store already pre-built down below if you want to have the inventory synced. Click the link in my description, and I'm going to go ahead and add the cover photos and just name it real quickly. I would then go back to online store and click customize, and I'll show you guys the cover photos collections. You have to click them and make sure they are there, but I'm going to edit the main menu right here by clicking main menu edit, which will say, view all in certain hair types or wigs, bundles, stuff like that. And if you were to buy a pre-built Shopify hair store from me, this will already be included, and I already have it done for you because this is a process. It really is. As you can see, the collections the collections are at the top, the different, textures, and then here they are right here. One is missing. I'm not sure why that says that, so I'll just click change, and I'll just go back and add it. Now I'm going to show you guys how I add the dropshipping vendor. I pretty much just go to the Shopify app store, type in DSER, which is AliExpress. Now I do have tons of tutorials on my channel. You can check out my channel for full tutorials. This is just a quick one. Pretty much you'll click install, get the free DSER plan. It's always free. And then you'll want to start adding stuff from AliExpress to DSER. And I'm going to show you that right here as an example. Now you can pretty much drop ship anything from AliExpress. This is pretty much how I sync the vendor, the dropshipping vendor. It'll just be straight from AliExpress. They do have fast shipping, straight from the United States. They do have vendors in the United States from AliExpress, and they have reviews too at the bottom of each product if you were to click it, and I'll show you that right here. And like I said, I do have different hair packages for my websites if you want a sample, which will be like a sample bundle, but we do use multiple vendors, and this is me showing you how to sync from AliExpress to DSER. Now, usually I will click settings and edit the pricing, and I'll click the pencil. I'm doing this the lazy way, you guys. Don't do exactly what I'm doing. I would just push the store right now just to show you what it looks like. But you want to click that edit the pencil button just so you can edit the title and the description, because the brand, the vendor's name will be in the description and everything. So don't do what I do. Go watch my previous videos. Right now I'm doing it the lazy way, like I said. So once you click push to store, that orange button, it'll go from DSER to Shopify, and if you don't see it there, just click refresh and then the product will be loaded. But like I said, the title is mad long, so you want to edit the title, the description, and delete any information you don't want your customers to know. But like I said, if you buy a pre-built Shopify store from me, this will already be done for you. So this is what the website looks like. I didn't sync any products, only synced one. Those are pretty much stock photos. The bundles, I probably would sync bundles and make those the stock photos or the main photo. But yeah, I will add more, wigs and bundles depending on which hair kit or package you get with my pre-built stores. And this is pretty much how it works. So pretty much you can build your dream hair brand from home, even if you're a total beginner. You can launch your very own hairline boutique with a fully pre-built Shopify store that's ready to sell. So we already did the hard work for you, like making the website and syncing the vendor. So all you do is pick your kit, customize your logo, which we will make for you, and add your domain and start selling. So we do have different kits. We have like the starter kit, the boss kit, the premium kit. That is the current price. Do have different packages and different things are included, and this is what is included. So the starter kit comes pretty much with the website you just seen. We do have different colors, by the way, link in the description. Starter kit comes with 7 items, the boss kit comes with 10, and premium comes with 20. So the difference is pretty much we include a content hair plan with the boss and the premium, and with the premium you get the content hair plan and a sample bundle. So the premium kit is obviously our best kit, but we do have affordable prices. So if you're interested, click the link in the description for more information.